Thank you so much, Karen, for those inputs into this presentation. Allow me to first of all introduce myself. I'm James Jowi, Principal Education Officer at the EAC and also Founding Executive Director of the African Network for Internationalization of Education. As Karen has just mentioned, there are several developments going on in Africa, and one of them is the establishment of the African Network for Internationalization of Education, ANIE, which actually was established to showcase what is going on in the continent with regard to research, capacity building, and advocacy for internationalization. ANIE's role is very much to close the gap in research, which has been there for several years, and actually to provide a platform within which scholars and universities from the global south can connect together. ANIE has done quite a lot of work in this regard, and actually our genesis was in 2009, after which in the year 2010, I came to Canada for a conference by the Association of Universities and Colleges of Canada, in which I actually met Karen. And that has been the start of this long collaboration through which we have done quite a lot together, some of which Karen will actually talk about. Apart from the collaborations we had with Canada, and including the fact that ANIE was established through the works of Jen Knight, who actually comes from Canada and played a role in initiating this network, we have also collaborations with other global agencies working on internationalization, such as the European Association for International Education, the International Association of Universities, and we undertake a number of projects and activities together with them, which actually underscore the essence of what we are presenting in this session, the collaborations between North and South universities and scholars. Part of what has been going on within the African continent is the development of new centers of excellence, which actually are very important platforms to develop capacities and to bridge the gaps that have been there for years due to brain drain, and also very good incubating points for knowledge generation for Africa. For the African continent, currently, these centers of excellence are very interesting platforms for collaborations between North and South. They are also useful in developing capacities in different research areas. Apart from those, ANIE has been contributing to publications. A number of them have been shown on the slides that have gone past, and some will be later as we conclude this presentation. And these are just showcasing that research productivity in Africa is growing, and that collaborations such as these ones can be used to support the research environment in Africa. Recently, as early or as late as 2 weeks ago, the University World News recorded that some African universities, much more than before, are coming up in the University World Rankings, and which is actually a testimony that these collaborations are playing a strong role in enhancing the research capacities of African universities.